This is the first time seeing here. This is Tech Talk with TechDenroy. This is TechDenroy. Everyone have multiple years of experience in technology, old school technology. I remember laptops. When it first came out, there was like $3,000 for a laptop when it first came back. Got years of experience back there. It came a long way with laptops. From laptop age, we went to from the mobile devices that really bring a lot of laptops down. We had multiple devices, but now we are talking about AI. We are the age of AI technology. And years back, we talking about the desktop computer right here, the system here, the desktop unit right here. Now we have AI. ARM announced have its AI through Anthropic AI, Claude. They say tasks like everyday tasks you do on your PC. You have your PC here, everyday tasks on your PC. AI, Claude, the language model, Claude will do your everyday tasks you have to do. It might be Word, you might want to write a Word problem, or you might Excel, you want to do an Excel worksheet. This AI technology through Claude, through AI agents. You have multiple AI agents through the language model Claude. You just put it on your smartphone, a prompt, tell this AI agent to do a complete task of on your desktop computer. Like I say, it might be Microsoft Word. Give an example. Another one might be doing your Excel worksheet. Tell them particular code, a prompt to do your Excel worksheet, and you have that done by an AI model, an AI agent. Now we have another ARM message again. We have talking about ARM. Yes, ARM have released its in-house chip. You can check out right here on Amazon right here. It's got those. Look like I can bring it up here if I can double screen. If not, I'm kind of trying to switch this up to a different screen. But if not, I will read it out on here. I think I can get it at this time to switch up to a different screen, but I will work that out in a little time. Yes. I think I can double. Yes, I can do it now. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah. We have a thing about ARM. Yeah, ARM will release its first in-house chip with Meta. Meta is going to be its first customer, and they're releasing ARM and releasing its first AI chip. Yeah. Its first AI chip is in-house AI ARM. First in-house chip is AGI CPU chip. It's going to run most of the data center, and Meta will be its first customer. Meta will be its first customer. Yeah, this is the chip right here. This is the chip maker right here. Yes, inside ARM chip, $71 million chip lab where it's making its first CPU chip. First CPU chip. That is ARM right there, making its first CPU chip right there. That is the end of the news by AI. First chips right there. It's coming in detail how the CEO of ARM, its first in-house chip, announced it Tuesday. In its event, they had an event in San Francisco. They introduced their new, for the data center, the processor unit. It's called the AGI CPU chip. That's through ARM. And the CEO had announced that in an event in San Francisco. Let me if I can download, click that right. Let's go back to me. Let's click it here. Okay, that's me. Yeah, that is a chip by ARM. You know what they make their chip right there. We have another coming up news now of what's going on. Let me bring that up, that flashing news. Let me go. I think I have to here. We have a news by. Let's get it here. Let's bring up the news. Yes, we have a news. Alibaba, one of the known Chinese e-commerce out there, They have a new development of AI technology. Let me see if I can bring that up here. I can get the detailed news. Yes, AI technology is around data centers and stuff like that. But the next coming up news is Alibaba, well-known Chinese company out there. They are bringing their news out here. I'm going to check out some of the news here about Alibaba. I have some of the front news right here about Alibaba here. I think I had it here. Let me check. If I can release that, find out where this. Okay, yes, Alibaba. Okay. Just tap it up here, tap the screen. Yes, Alibaba. Alibaba revealed a new AI chip designed for agents. It's all about AI agents. Alibaba designed a chip, extra tie 7 C79050 central processor. What a name! What a name for an AI chip. They use that for CPU and AI agent purpose, while much of the attention is focused on GPU, but NVIDIA, not NVIDIA, NVIDIA was known as for the graphic designer, back in the videos back in gaming. They changed that up to AI and data center. CPU. They are used chip for CPUs. That is right there. That's Alibaba. Alibaba right there. Alibaba. Yeah, a lot of people say we are still in the first inning in AI technology. We are still in the first inning of AI technology here. I'm excited about technology. I'm excited about this AI technology. This is the new technology trend coming here. And I'm going to be 100%, yes, 100% on that AI bus. Everything AI here with TechDenroy, Tech Talk with TechDenroy. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up, everyone. You have a good night. You come see my live stream or not, or you want to listen to the repost, reply of the video, check it out. Tell your friends who love technology, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechDenroy. Everyone, you have a great night.